Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Aren't these gorgeous? $5 or less, and you haven't even seen the inside yet. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back. To all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers, thank you all so much for being here today. Y'all, we're on this journey of making beautiful upscale Christmas gifts for under $5. And this is beautiful. I can't wait for you to see the inside. But when it's all said and done, you can make both of these for under $5. So you can make a complete set for 2 people, even 3 people, for under $5. So I'll give you a closer look at this in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, so here's a closer look at what we're making here. We are making this beautiful, inexpensive set of note cards, and the box measures 3 3/4, and it's 3/4 of an inch deep. And y'all, this really does look high end. You would look at this in the store and think you would have to pay a fortune for it. Well, again, it's one of those projects that we're going to make for less than $5, way less than $5. But I want y'all to see how stinking cute this actually is. So I have these stickers, and I use some plain old white cardstock to place down the stickers. And then I decided to throw in that whimsy by using this fun, whimsical paper that I have that adds to the charm of a gift set like this. This is one of those things that you might want to bookmark for your 2024 craft fair because it's simple, it's quick, and it is beautiful. So again, we're not going to take much time actually making this. So I'm going to go ahead and collect these pieces, and we are going to make this, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is. So for the box, I have a piece that is 9.5 by 6 3/4. And this is more of a heavyweight cardstock. And then I have a piece for the envelope that is 8 1/4 by 5 1/2. I actually ordered these from Amazon, and I'm very pleased with how they actually work on this project. And I'll have it linked in the description box below. But based on what I paid for all that I got, y'all, this envelope here is costing me pennies to make. Then I have a piece of cardstock that is 4 by 7, and from one sheet of cardstock, you're able to get 2 cards. But the cost of the cardstock itself, I bought it on sale at Hobby Lobby, and I paid, I think, $4.99 for the pack. And in the pack, there was 50 sheets. So really super easy, economical paper crafting. And then I'm going to be using a sticker. But what I really want you to see is not only is this economical, but it's very quick and easy to make. So we're going to take that white cardstock on the 7-inch side. Let's go ahead and score at 3 1/2. Then we're going to take the box. So we're going to go ahead and score everything. And for the box, so on the 6-inch side, we're going to score at 1/2 inch, 1 1/4, and 6. Then on the 9.5 inch side, we're going to score at 3 3/4, at 4 1/2, at 8 1/4, and at 9. So those are the scores for the cardstock. Then we're going to go ahead and score the envelope. On the 5 1/2 inch side, we're going to score at 1/2 inch. Rotate it to the opposite 5 1/2 inch side and score at 1/2 inch. Turn it to the 8 1/4 inch side, and we're going to score at 3 1/2 and at 7 1/8. So those are all of your scores. We are now ready to put this together. So I'll start with my card. I am just going to fold that in half. Take my sticker, and we're just going to place the sticker down. It's that simple. These are blank note cards, and there is my 4th note card. Then I'm just going to take my envelope and fold and burnish all of my scores. And then I'm going to take my finger blade, and where that score mark is, I'll angle here in the middle, angle there at the top. That gives me the inside flap. I know it's hard to see with this pattern that I chose, but you'll see it in a minute. So I'm just angling. And then we'll angle in here. And then when we get to the bottom, we just take our finger blade or scissors and cut at a downward angle. Same thing here. Cutting at a downward angle. And there is our envelope. I am going to go ahead and just round the ends. And now we can fold up, take the widest part, fold up, and you have your envelope. So I am just going to take some tape because it's out. And I can use my tape runner on this because this really is a very lightweight paper. So I'm just going to fold up and over. And there is our envelope for the card. So now we're going to take our box and we are going to fold and burnish all of those scores. And once you have all of your scores folded and burnished, you're going to have two corner sections here and one corner section here that we need to get rid of. So I am going to cut up at an angle and then cut straight across to remove that corner piece. Cut straight across here and then cut in at an angle to remove that piece. All right, so once we have it like this, we're going to go ahead and just free our remaining tabs. So we go in and free these tabs. Then I'm going to reduce this a little bit. And I'm basically reducing it at about the score mark. So let's go to the second score mark here, angle down, angle in to get that slight tab look. Go to the other side, cut straight down, and then angle in, and then just cut at the score mark. And then here along the bottom, we'll do the same thing. We'll go to the score marks, and this time we're just going to angle on both sides because we want to free our tabs. And then your box is going to look like this. And you can put it together with glue or tape. I'm going to use tape because it is a very lightweight box that's only going to be holding the cards. So here is the adhesive flap. We're going to use this flap to fold over. So I am just going to take my finger blade and angle in here just a little bit so that our flap, when we fold it over, is not hitting the score mark. So let's go ahead and add some tape and fold over and get that stuck. Now I'm going to take my scissors and just slightly round this part. And so with it like this, the folded piece facing you, we'll flip it over and we'll place some tape on the outside of the adhesive flap. And then I'm going to place some tape here on the outside of this. And then here's the adhesive flap. I'll place some tape on the inside of this piece. So now we can put it together. So let's go ahead and fold in these two pieces here. And all we're going to do is just take this and we're going to put it together. So basically you're going to match top to bottom like this. And then you can fold that piece in and you can fold that over. Get that nice and stuck. Now you should be able to fold this over and fold in. And there is your box. We can take our cards, and I'm only putting one card in this box for right now. I would definitely add more. And we can put our cards in the box like this. And you can probably get 4 cards and 4 envelopes in your box. So let's go ahead and fold that over. Then I have a 3 1/4 by 4 1/4 piece of white cardstock. Then I am just going to place right there. And then I'm going to take another one of my stickers and place it there. And now we have 2 beautiful boxes, very inexpensive to make. Y'all, this is truly an under $5 gift. Just take 2 pieces of cardstock, your favorite stickers, and a piece of black cardstock, and then some regular old scrapbook paper for the envelopes, and you're truly able to make this gift for under $5. I think this is a great stocking stuffer. I think it's a great little gift for anyone who loves to leave notes, and don't we all? So I hope that you have enjoyed this fun, quick, and easy way that we can take minimal supplies that you probably already have in your stash and turn out something that looks like it was purchased from a high-end boutique. If you have liked this video, and I certainly hope that you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.